Hello, my name is Jessamine Magante. I am 25 years old and come from a loving family with 2 sisters and 4 brothers. My hobbies are I enjoy cooking and watching movies in my free time. I also have experience selling food, which has helped me to develop responsibility, patience, and strong communication skills. I am compassionate I am compassionate person, dedicated and eager to care for children while creating a positive and nurturing environment. I am excited about the opportunity to become an au pair, share my culture, and learn from your family. Making my family proud has always been my motivation, and I am committed to bring warmth, kindness, and enthusiasm to your home.